Orange Traffic is a Canadian-based company. We're based north of Montreal, so in a city called Mirabel. So we're a company with around 48 people last time I checked. So we are in the industry of traffic, so we operate in traffic lights, highways, dynamic message sign, and stuff like that. So we are a distributor of several brands, and we manufacture for some product into the US. So what we manufacture is basically in the US the blank out sign, so we can do several messages. We add every messages, a lot of new messages every year, and we manufacture traffic cabinet for some customer in the US, and ITS cabinet that goes with the blank out signs. So you can do school zone for one application. We do a lot of highways, so lane control, reverse lane, flex lane, so you can do a lot of application. That would be a use for those kind of product. And I think you can think of any type of messages and we can do it. All the signs are fully customizable, so we can choose the color, we can choose the size of the shape of the sign itself, we can choose the message, you can choose the color of the LEDs, so we can completely do whatever the customer needs. So there's a lot of stuff that makes him so unique. So first of all, we have, this one is a slim one. So as you can see on the side over here, so this one is very, very thin. So it's easier to maintain and put it up. So for a contractor, it's easy to put up. Another thing is that these signs are fully dimmable. So there's 1,000 steps of dimmable LEDs, so which is a very big advantage. So you can have really the good lighting whenever you need it. One of the biggest thing that we like to talk about when we look into that product is we can put all the power supply on the side of the road. So what it does for maintenance, it's really easy. So with other signs, you need to go take a pocket truck, go up, make some maintenance in the sign. Ours, everything is on the side of the road. Yep. So instead of having to put everything in the sign and do all the maintenance in the sign, you can directly do it on the side of the road and be safe and make sure that nobody's get injured, and you have some cost saving as well, because you don't have to have all the signal and things to protect all the people. We do several type of cabinets. So we do NEMA cabinets and ATC cabinet, so the new norm. So this one that we brought over here is a ATC type cabinet. It was made for City of Montreal, so we have 600 of those to provide. So what is special about this one is it's a single door. So normally what we see is a two-door cabinet. So this one is a single door. So we work with EDI in order to have the load switches, and all the component, the power supply as well is EDI. We are working with Peak or UX now, so it's a new name, new company, but it's still the same controller. So we work with Peak for controlling our cabinet. We really like applied information as well for all preemption systems. So we don't provide them in the US, but if required in Quebec, we are using a lot of applied information for a preemption system, school zone that goes with our blank out sign. So most of the time we use blank out sign, we use applied information connectivity system in it, so we can manage those signs very well. Another type of cabinet that we use is the ITS cabinet. Those cabinet goes with the blank out sign most of the time. So we brought over here one of the biggest seller that we have is the one that we use for Champlain Bridge back in Montreal. So this one was used for, as you can see, Wavetronics and blackout signs as well. So we can put all the technology of the blackout sign in the cabinet. So what we do, we come in and we put all kind of module. So if we have, let's say, 3 blackout sign that needs to go in, so we put all the module inside, and we can put even a PLC and control all the blackout signs inside the cabinet. A lane control is an X, an arrow, and another arrows. So what you can do is you can manage how the people are traveling inside the bridge, for example. So what we do is with the cabinet, we transfer the information, whether direct or within a plan, and we send a message to the blank out sign in order to make sure that the good message is really the good one. So is it an X or an arrow? So it makes sure that if there's an accident, we can block some of the road. In Tunnel of Louis-Hippolyte Lafontaine, what we did is we had a system called CityLog that monitors all the roads. So whenever there's an accident, within 15 seconds, we can have an input that says, be careful, there's an accident in lane number 1. So after that, what is happening is the information is going through the cabinet, and then through the PLC, there's a route that needs to be done. So the X will be opening one after the other, and the arrow will be opening in the other direction. So what it's going to do, the people will be moving slowly but surely in one lane to another lane to another lane, and to make sure that it's going to be closed within seconds, but it has to be done the right way.